If you struggle to speak English, this beginner-friendly dialogue will help you learn step by step. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Emma. What is your name?
I'm John. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, John.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm a little tired, but I'm good. And you?
I'm fine. I woke up early, so I feel fresh.
So John, what do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and eat breakfast.
Oh, that's nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit.
Sounds healthy. I drink tea in the morning.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I love tea. It makes me feel relaxed.
Emma, what do you do? Do you study or work?
I am a student. I study English.
Oh, nice. Why do you want to learn English?
Because English helps me communicate with people from many countries.
True, English is very useful.
What about you? Do you work?
Yes, I work in an office. I am an assistant.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's okay. Sometimes it is busy, but I like it.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Oh wow, what kind of movies?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh.
Nice. I like listening to music.
What music do you like?
I like soft music. It helps me study.
The weather today is very nice, right?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. I like sunny weather.
Me too. Rainy days make me sleepy.
Same. When it rains, I just want to sleep all day. John, what food do you like?
I love pizza. What about you?
I like rice and chicken.
Oh, nice. Do you cook?
Yes, I cook a little.
That's great. I cannot cook very well.
It's okay. You can learn.
Emma, are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am free.
Would you like to go to the park?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Great. We can take a walk and talk more.
Perfect. I would love that.
Hey Emma, how was your weekend?
Hi John, my weekend was nice. I went to the park.
Oh great. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much. The weather was perfect.
That sounds wonderful.
John, do you study anything now?
Yes, I study a little at night.
What do you study?
I study basic computer skills.
Oh, that's useful.
Yes, it helps me at work.
Do you use apps to learn things?
Sometimes. I use a language app.
Really? Does it help?
Yes, it helps me practice words every day.
That's good. I also want to try one.
You should. It's very easy. Emma, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Nice. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Germany.
Wow, why Germany?
Because it's beautiful and has good universities.
True, I hope you go there one day.
John, what is your future goal?
I want to improve my English and get a better job.
That's a good goal.
Thank you. And you?
I want to study abroad and build a good career.
You will. You work very hard.
Thank you, John. That means a lot.
Sometimes I feel shy when I speak English.
That's normal. Everyone feels shy at first.
Really?
Yes, but the more you speak, the better you become.
I guess that's true.
Don't worry, you're already improving.
Thank you, Emma. You always encourage me.
Hi John, I didn't expect to see you here.
Hi Emma. Yeah, I'm trying to find an easy English book to practice.
That's great. Are you looking for something simple or a little challenging?
Something simple. I don't want to get confused.
I understand. Do you want a storybook or a grammar book?
A storybook. I think stories make learning fun.
You're right. Stories help you learn naturally.
I agree, but there are too many books here. I don't know which one to choose.
No worries. Come with me. I know the perfect one for beginners.
Really? That would help a lot.
Yes. This one has short chapters and easy vocabulary.
Oh, the cover looks nice too.
And there are pictures inside to help you understand.
Perfect. Thank you, Emma. You always help me.
Anytime, John. Learning is easier when we help each other.
True. I'll buy this book.
Great. After you finish it, tell me. I want to know if you liked it.
Sure. I will.
It's getting late. I should go now.
Yes. Me too.
Today's conversation was really nice.
I agree. I enjoyed talking with you.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Take care.